Anhan, reshi sandali. Shafka adrvish dozge anima hogegaron shiketi mori. Shafka adrvish o kwenegin mori.
Speak up!
Where?
I can't hear a thing.
Avitolvio and Nurho Gento si brosan.
Let's go to stoning.
Dario Valerio
stoning any time.
Oh, come on, Brian.
Will you be quiet?
Don't pick your nose.
I wasn't picking my nose, I was scratching.
You was picking it while you was talking
Go
to that
get
lady.
it.
I wasn't.
Leave it alone. Give it a rest.
You slaughtered a city.
Do you mind? I can't hear a word he's saying.
Don't you do you mind me. I was talking to my husband.
Well, go and talk to him somewhere else. I can't hear a bloody thing. Don't you swear, my wife. I was only asking her to shut up so he can hear what he's saying, Big Nose.
Don't you call my husband Big Nose.
Well, he has got a big nose. Could you be quiet, please? See, if you haven't been going on, we'd have heard that, Big Nose.
Hey, say that once more, I'll smash your bloody face in.
Zirineja Katas.
Better keep listening. Might be a bit about blessed are the big noses.
Oh, lay off him.
Oh, you're not so bad yourself, Conkface. Where are you two from? Nose City?
One more time, mate. I'll take you to fucking cleaners.
Language. And don't pick your nose.
I wasn't going to pick my nose. I'm going to thump him. Did anyone catch his name?
You're not going to thump anybody.
I'll thump him if he calls me Big Nose again.
Oh, shut up, Big Nose.
Huh? What? I warned you.
Listen, I'm only telling the truth. You have got a very big nose.
Hey, your nose is going to be 3 foot wide across your face by the time I finish with you. Shh. That's your last warning.
Oh, do pipe down.
Silly bitch! Get away!
Oh, come on, let's go to the stoning.
All right.